From the country Spain, it's number 48, Ruben Fernandez. Rides an open class Honda. CD is an Italian company founded in 1960 by its current president Dino Signori. The company takes its name from his initials. It specializes in protective wear for sports such as motorcycling and cycling. CD is one of the most well-known brands of cycling shoes.
There's my friend Primo. Scott Goggins. So here comes Roger. Hey Roger. Morning.
Fly Racing is committed to developing the highest quality apparel, accessories, and hard parts for whatever sport you love. Inspired by racing, driven by adventure, and crafted for performance. Fly Racing has been working hard since 1998 to bring you the best gear in the market.
Fucking racist. You're so American. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, we gotta get the Red Bull, boys. Come on. Red Bull! Hang on, let me crack a beer. Hang on. Okay. Cheers, brother.
It's apple juice. Thank you. So here we are going into the vendor section. Tons of vendors. I mean, this is like mega vendor alley. Brandon. How's it going? Larry Huey. You remember me?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I got good. I got you on a little bit of video.
Oh man.
Looks like it's gonna be a good day, doesn't it?
Yeah. Crowds are flooding in today. It's busy today.
Yeah.
They came knocking at 7 o'clock this morning. So.
Yeah.
I'm with Freddie.
Okay.
Awesome.
How are you doing today?
Great. I'm doing awesome. This is epic for me.
Oh, time of our lives. This is cool. It's really cool. I'm just happy to be here. It's
Jet Lawrence is an Australian motocross motorcycle racer. Lawrence is the 2021 AMA Motocross National Champion in the 250cc men's category and the 2022 AMA Supercross Champion in the 250cc East category. Lawrence races for Honda motorcycles.
Well, that's up to them.
Ciao, buongiorno. Bene, tu? Caffè? Sì. Top.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I met him.
Yeah, how you
Hey,
doing?
good.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some sound bites. Whenever you want to, just get a couple questions on camera. It's about the whole event and all that good stuff. So, are you cool with like filming like questions and answers?
Sure.
Yeah,
Right now. Let's do it. The latest.
Oh, let's do it. Right, go ahead right now. Yeah. Yeah, I'll hop over.
Okay, it's a little bit before 10. And the first practice is supposed to start at 10 o'clock. There's, I think that's LaRocco's leaving over there.
You don't want to miss it. It's just right over, right where we have the opening ceremonies and presentation of things and riders just today. Right in that area. Very good. Wow.
Is there something special going on with the Scott thing? What's
Jason Anderson.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. What, he get his autograph?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is he up there now? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So Jason Anderson is going to be here. All right, I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to not get in line, but I'm going to have to get up that way.
Like, hey man, you're 9 minutes late.
Because, man, there's like this huge line to get in, whatever, to see Jason Anderson. So, coming up to the Scotland.
You guys have a good day.
Everyone's waiting for Jason Anderson?
What's that?
Is everyone waiting for Jason Anderson?
Yep.
Was he going to sign autographs?
Yeah. Yeah, we have an autograph signing at 9 to 11.
There's a remote lock on the rear shot.
Yeah, it's twin lock.
He's faster out of here.
I live in the town.
He's fashionably late.
I don't need the folding there. And I want a mountain bike to go mountain bike. Right. So I want the big wheels, the full wheels.
Yeah, this looks like it.
Yeah. Very cautious drive.
I mean, we know he wasn't out drinking.
So this is the line going to waiting for Jason Anderson. He's about 15 minutes late on coming to do autographs.
I work for a company that spent $60,000 a year on cameras. And then by the time it is kind of like always outdated, there's be like a spec change, or they change the tire, or they change the color, or they change the price. Flatland.
Now we're coming up on FXR. Brandon I met yesterday. A really cool accessory line. I guess the material is outstanding. It's like Lycra.
You gotta walk all the way to get down.
Really cool line. The pants are just super lightweight material. vented, as you can see, and stretchy. It's got a lot of nice features.